Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing our September Boxy Charm. I'm so excited to see what came inside this month's box. I can't believe it's September already. This year has already just flown by, and we are going to just dive into this box. So if that sounds good, why don't we go ahead and get started. Are new to my BoxyCharm unboxings, or you've never seen one of these before, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 a month and you receive 4 to 5 full-size items in your box every single month. It's a subscription service that's going to continually show up. I will have my link down below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for it. But let's see what we got for the month of September. So the theme this month says it is all access, so kind of like a backstage pass. The variation that I have is number 2. You guys always ask me that. I'll also have the dimensions, the weight, and everything of my box down below as well. So up first, I see some brushes in here. These are actually from Moda. I really love their brushes. So this actually looks like a really good set. It has 5 different brushes in it, which normally when we get these sets, I feel like they have like 2 or 3 brushes. So this one does have 5. This is their deluxe eye kit. And I have used these brushes before. This is the BMX line. I do really like these. So let's see what the cost on this one is. So this one is $27.95. You do get the 5 different brushes. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what the brushes look like. So here is all 5 of the brushes right here. So it looks like we have like a short shader brush. We also have this one, which is a little bit more of like a fluffy crease brush. We have an even fluffier crease brush right here, a more dense pencil brush, and then we also have an angled brush here as well. Definitely think that this is a good set. Like I said, I really enjoyed this line. I have quite a few of those brushes. So moving on inside of here, we do have a highlight. So this is actually from Laura Geller, and this is the Gilded Honey Highlight. Who remembers when this was like a favorite all across Instagram? I feel like so many people, this used to be like their holy grail highlights. So it is actually a full size of this one, and the retail price on this one is actually going to be $26. So I got Gilded Honey in mine. I'm not sure if there are other variations because it does just say highlight. It doesn't say Gilded Honey. So there might be other options that you can get, but here's what it looks like. It's a really pretty gold highlight. So I actually already own this. So I went ahead and just grabbed the one that I have, which is pretty well used. So I can show you guys a swatch of it. There's no sense to swatch like a brand new one when I already own this, but it's a really pretty, just like gold highlight. It looks beautiful on the skin. It's really nice when you blend it out too. I've had this one for a long time. It lasts a long time, and I do really like it. So I'm excited to see that actually this month in the box. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Dr. Brandt, and it says this is their Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Dr. Brandt is a brand that I feel like we see in BoxyCharm quite often. I have found quite a few products that I like from them though. So here is what that looks like. So again, it's just going to be a sleeping mask. This one does retail for $52. So this is a pricey little mask here. That's awesome to get. And then it looks like we have a palette this month, which I'm excited to see. It is from Violet Voss. I don't have a ton of palettes from Violet Voss. So this one is the Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's just like a cardboard packaging. I don't know, ooh, actually this is pretty. I was gonna say I don't know what it looks like on the inside, so I'm curious. But here is the inside of the palette right there. I do really like the color selection here. I think it's fun. It does have a mirror as well. There are 10 different shades total. It looks like we have 5 mattes and 5 shimmers in here, so definitely a split palette right here. And I like these smaller palettes. I always enjoy those type of eyeshadow palettes because I feel like I reach into those a lot. So the price on this little Violet Voss palette is actually $29. So I'm excited about this because like I said, I don't have a ton of her shadows in my collection. I am going to swatch the entire palette so we can see what the shadows swatch like. All right, again, here are the swatches of all 10 of the shades. They swatched really nicely. The mattes look very buttery. Looks like a nice formula in here. I have a few of her larger pan palettes. I do really enjoy them. Like I said, I only have a couple though. I think I have 2 palettes in my collection, but I think the shimmers actually swatched really nicely as well. I think you can do some more neutral looks with this one, with like that pink and with even these more like terracotta colors. But you could also do a little bit more bold stuff with like the green and the gold. So I think that this is actually a pretty versatile palette. I like that we got this one. And then we have one more item in here, and it looks like this one is from Hank and Henry. and I think that this is an eyeliner. So Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Here is what it looks like right here. Hank and Henry, I know we've gotten a few products from them in past Boxycharms. I know like some lip products and things like that. So I'll go ahead and give the liner a swatch here. Do quite a few little swatches right here. So it is a liquid liner. It does look pretty black. It doesn't look like the blackest liner I've ever seen, but it has a nice little tip here, so it'll be pretty easy to get a precise wing with it. I'll be curious to give this one a try. The price on this one here is going to be $20 for the eyeliner. All right, you guys, so to summarize, inside of here we did get the Hank and Henry eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. We got the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. We got the Dr. Brandt sleeping mask, the Gilded Honey highlight from Laura Geller, and then the 5 eye brushes from Moda Brushes. So I think that this one actually was a really good box. We got a lot of different products in here. I love that brush set. I already know I love those brushes, so I'm glad that that one was in here because that's a lot of eye brushes to get in here. I love that highlight, so I'm happy with that. The eyeshadow palette looks really, really stunning, so I'm actually really excited about that. I really love this box in general. I think it's a really good value. So I did go ahead and add up the total. It's $154.95 that you are getting inside of this box. So definitely worth your $21. I think it's a great box this month. You have to comment down below what you got inside of your Boxycharm. I know there's always a few different variations that you can get. Let me know down in the comment section what you got. Stay tuned for another Boxycharm video next month. I do these ones every single month. Again, I'll have the link to sign up if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.